Extreme danger in California. High winds fueling fast-spreading infernos. A new fire tripling in size in just 24 hours and forcing evacuations. Our Kana Whitworth reports from the fire lines tonight in Northern California.
Tonight, the Caldor fire burning out of control, destroying homes. Thousands evacuated east of Sacramento. The town of
A civil authority has issued fire warning for the following counties or areas. XFINITY, California, at 12:15 p.m. on August 19, 2021, effective until 12:15 am August 20th, 2021. Fire warning: evacuate due to fire. Take level 3 go now precautions.